So now in this video, we're looking at why awareness comes before change. So many people try to change themselves without first understanding themselves. But with awareness, it's not passive, it's transformative once you become aware of things. So when you bring gentle attention to your inner world, your nervous system begins to feel seen rather than forced. And when you shift from criticism to curiosity, things you begin to feel a bit more safe, and you're not criticizing yourself. So change that is rushed often recreates the same pressure that caused the wound in the first place. So you may have grown up in a family where perhaps people were a bit critical, or in an environment or school or church or whatever, when you were young, that where you felt criticized and got at, and now you criticize yourself. But often when we can't see how we contribute to what's going on with us, we project it onto other people as well. So awareness creates space, and space creates choice. So your reflections for this week is, where in your life are you pushing for change without understanding? You know, you just want something to change, and what's the matter with me? I can't change it. So seek to understand first and become aware. What sensations come up in your body when you slow down and simply just start to notice how you're talking to yourself? Just pause and notice your attitude towards yourself. And how does your body respond to being observed rather than corrected? So that last question was, how does your body respond to being observed rather than corrected? You know, you probably find that when you're being just observed in an accepting kind of a way, you can drop your shoulders. Oh, you're not being criticized. So do some work on that and pop the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, it would be great if you subscribe. That would be helpful. And also, if you find these videos helpful, click like. Thank you.